As we age, mornings can become a little slower, a little quieter, and a lot more important. The way we start our day sets the tone for everything that follows. For people over 70, a mindful morning routine is not just about habit. It's about health, energy, and peace of mind. Many seniors look back and wish they had avoided some small but serious mistakes. These missteps may seem harmless, but over time they can affect our physical and mental well-being. In this script, we'll explore 5 common pitfalls that older adults often make in the morning and how to avoid them with wisdom gathered from those who've lived long and learned much. Chapter 1. Skipping breakfast or eating the wrong foods. One of the most common mistakes seniors make is skipping breakfast or eating foods that don't fuel the body properly. Many older adults say they just aren't hungry in the morning, or they grab something quick like coffee and toast. While that might seem fine, it often leads to low energy, dizziness, and trouble concentrating later in the day. What you eat in the morning matters more than you think. Our bodies change with age. We lose muscle faster, our digestion slows down, and our blood sugar levels can fluctuate more easily. A good breakfast helps steady your body and your mind. A wise breakfast for someone over 70 includes protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Think oatmeal with nuts and berries, scrambled eggs with spinach, or yogurt with flax seeds. These foods are gentle on the stomach, but rich in nutrients. They help with digestion, keep you full longer, and support heart and brain health. Elderly wisdom tells us, treat your morning meal as a gift to your future self. Chapter 2. Ignoring movement or skipping gentle exercise. It's tempting to start the day with coffee and television, but the body was made to move. One mistake many seniors make is going too long in the morning without stretching, walking, or moving their joints. Over time, joints stiffen, muscles weaken, and balance becomes more difficult. A short daily movement routine can make a huge difference. It doesn't have to be intense. Even 5 to 10 minutes of gentle stretching, a short walk, or Tai Chi can wake up the body, boost circulation, and improve mood. Exercise in the morning helps you breathe deeper, think clearer, and avoid the aches and pains that come with inactivity. It also helps with digestion and blood pressure. If mornings are painful, speak with a doctor or physical therapist. They can suggest safe stretches and movements for your needs. As one elderly saying goes, motion is lotion for your joints. Chapter 3. Skipping medications or taking them incorrectly. Another dangerous mistake is forgetting to take medication or not following the correct schedule. As we age, many of us rely on daily medicines to manage conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, or arthritis. Missing even one dose can cause problems. Some people take their pills too early or too late. Others take them on an empty stomach when they should take them with food. This can reduce how well the medicine works or cause side effects. It's wise to keep a medication routine. Use a pill box, set alarms, or ask a family member to check in. Always read instructions carefully. If you're unsure, ask your pharmacist. They're there to help. A smart elder once said, "A pill forgotten is a risk remembered." Chapter 4. Starting the day with worry or negative thoughts. Your mindset in the morning matters. Many older adults wake up feeling anxious, lonely, or overwhelmed. It's easy to focus on aches, regrets, or fears. But beginning the day with negative thoughts can affect your whole mood, reduce motivation, and even impact your health. One powerful way to avoid this is through gratitude. Instead of thinking about what's wrong, focus on what's good. Write down or say 3 things you're thankful for each morning. It could be as simple as, I'm grateful for this warm blanket, or I'm thankful my friend called yesterday. Another helpful practice is morning prayer, quiet meditation, or reading a comforting quote. Positive routines calm the mind, lift the spirit, and set the tone for a peaceful day. There's a quote many elders love: begin the day with a peaceful mind and peace will follow you. Chapter 5. Isolating yourself in the morning. It's common for seniors to spend mornings alone, especially if they live by themselves. While solitude isn't always bad, regular isolation can lead to feelings of sadness, anxiety, or depression. Even short connections can brighten your day. Call a friend or family member. Visit a local senior center. Join a morning group or walking club. You can even start the day by listening to a radio show or podcast that feels like a friendly voice. Staying connected helps the brain, reduces stress, and reminds us that we're part of something larger. Sharing a cup of coffee with someone, even virtually, can change how the whole day feels. As the old wisdom says, a shared morning is a brighter morning. Chapter 6. The Power of Morning Routines. Morning routines are like gentle anchors. They keep us steady, help us feel safe, and provide a sense of control. For people over 70 who may face changes in health, mobility, or independence, a solid morning routine can be a comforting ritual that brings purpose and calm. A simple morning routine might look like this. Wake up at the same time every day. Start with a glass of water to hydrate. Stretch or walk for 10 minutes. Take medications with a balanced breakfast. Read or listen to something positive. Reach out to a friend or family member. Sit in the sunlight if possible. These habits don't take much time, but they bring structure and intention to your day. Over time, they become second nature. Your body starts to expect them, and your mind begins to rely on them. This consistency helps regulate sleep, mood, and energy levels. As many elders say, a steady start leads to a steady day. Chapter 7. Small habits that lead to big results. Good mornings are not about big actions. They're about small choices repeated over time. Drinking water instead of skipping it. Eating a nourishing breakfast instead of sugar-heavy snacks. Stretching instead of staying stiff in bed. Smiling instead of sighing. These choices may seem tiny, but they add up. Small good habits lead to stronger bones, a clearer mind, and a more hopeful spirit. They reduce the risk of falls, support memory, and encourage independence. They also give you a sense of accomplishment, which can be especially meaningful in later years. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. As the saying goes, little steps every day bring you far. Conclusion: creating a morning routine that honors your life. The wisdom that comes with age is one of life's greatest gifts. By learning from the mistakes of others, we can shape a morning that honors our health, our spirit, and our years of experience. Wake up with care. Eat with love. Move with ease. Think with hope. Connect with joy. Avoiding these 5 pitfalls doesn't require big changes, just small, mindful steps. These habits, practiced daily, can lead to more energy, better health, and a deeper sense of peace. As many elders say, how you greet the morning is how the day will greet you. Let your mornings be filled with wisdom, because every day you rise is a day worth celebrating. The end.